KTN.
Efforts to end violence along the Turkana-West Pokot border have suffered a setback after leaders from West Pokot failed to attend a key peace meeting convened by the National Cohesion and Integration Commission (NCIC). The meeting, which was expected to bring together 12 political leaders from both counties, was only rather attended by a few leaders. According to NCIC chairperson Samuel Kobia, Turkana leaders raised concerns over the proliferation of small arms, political and ethnic incitement, misinformation on social media, and unresolved historical injustices.
The Commission will continue to engage with the other peace and security stakeholders, including grassroots community leaders, to ensure there is lasting peace between Turkana and Pokot communities. The Commission has been asked by the Turkana leaders who are here to ensure that the Interior, the Ministry of Interior and the National Administration to also be available at these meetings, because when it comes to implementing the recommendations that have been made, particularly that have to do with security, the ministry will definitely be involved.
The management of Busia County Referral Hospital has made an appeal to the public whose